Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image a long time ago. Well, I colorized yesterday and this is my subject today. Well, I'm going to turn it off, this background, this image and watercolor image. These are background I painted yesterday and I colorized this one. Well, I'm going to turn it off, this white layer with mask, which is this. Okay, turn it off. Then okay, these 1, 2, 3 images. These makes this color image. Compared to original image this is original image. A little bit colors kind of off because of the pretty old reversal film. So I made this black and white image, just take it out, saturation off. Then I add color and this one is this jewelry. Yeah, this is a base image. So I'm gonna fix this as a base image. So select multiple 1, 2, 3, then merge selected to get this image. Well, compared to this is the original. I just changed some colors, her t-shirt and little makeup type stuff. So I'm going to use this base color image and I have this is this is a white layer. I'm going to just turn it off to keep it. Then other pencil drawing type image, this I'm going to use this one, pencil drawing type image, and these background colors, watercolor and this interesting brush texture background. Just leave it, turn it off to keep it. Now, well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to change this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, overlay, pin light. Very interesting. Luminosity. I like this. Illustration image. And let me see, since I have original image here, I'm gonna move this one over this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna tone down this original image, opacity down to about 40. Let's see, how about change blend mode normal to color burn. This luminosity image goes darker. Pretty interesting though. Just the density of the original image darken this luminosity effect on the pencil drawing type image. Well, leave it this way and let me fix this color image as a illustration image. Okay, select multiple 1, 2 pencil drawing type image and a color base image. Then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get this image fixed. Alright, this is the luminosity effect layer and was a color burn, right? Yeah, color burn effect on the original image to get this a little bit dark image. Alright, okay, now this illustration image is pretty interesting. I kind of like this kind of image. Now let's see, this is color based image. I'm gonna bring this one, move up. Then let's see what I can find this image from. Change to pin light. Let me see if I make mask, invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal this with, well, dry media 2, pastel square. Well, I'm gonna move this white layer under the watercolor background image. And okay, how about leave this original color-based image, leave this just pin light. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then just change blend mode to normal. Then turn it off, this mask density. Then tone down about, just leave it 50. Then okay, now this is white layer. Then this is watercolor image, it's on. Pin light image, it's on with mask. Then I have this color-based image, opacity 50%, then linear burn. Well, about this, if I put it on this image, then we see have some details. So I'm gonna move this white layer over this color-based image. Okay, move this white layer. Okay, so we are hiding this much of the image. Okay, now let's see about this linear burn image. Well, this is alright, but I want to see more exciting image. Well, one is color burn, linear burn 50%. The other one is pin light. If I move this, change the order, what's gonna happen? Let me see. Touch. It'll change some. Which is well. This is more illustration type image. Top of the base color base image, pin light 100% with mask, only for shadow area. Then this layer is linear burn, 50% no mask, overall image. Okay, more illustration type image. Okay, let's go with it. This is more illustration type image, right? This is white layer with mask. Okay, now this is pin light, then this is linear burn. Okay, how about 60%? No mask. Okay, then I'm gonna control with this mask on white layer. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna hide some part. Okay, let me try. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then the one is just turn it off to keep it. Just in case, I'm gonna go back. Then I'm gonna cut mask. Now, create empty mask. Then I'm gonna reveal with Japanese. Action lines scatter. Hide white layer with this. Same kind of texture. How it's gonna look like. Let's see it. Same kind of texture gives same kind of feeling, I think. Maybe. That's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Pastel colors. Yeah, I guess that's it. Maybe I can darken some. Let's see, top of this layers. Brightness contrast. Yeah, how's this? Well, I guess that's it. Pretty interesting pastel type image illustration. One of the variation of this image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. That's pretty interesting. Yep.